Welcome to the Online RoundTable. This short video will outline the basic steps for getting started with a written discussion activity. The goal of the Online RoundTable is to create a space for all students to openly share their own perspectives, learn from one another, and practice constructive and respectful discussion in an online community. This activity can be done in real time or over the course of a few days, either in class or remotely. First, create your discussion prompt. You can either choose one from the Parlay universe, or you can make your own from scratch. Any topic you take from the Parlay universe can be edited and modified for your students. Once you're ready to edit it, you can add in your own links, pictures, files, or embed videos. And of course, you could change the text. Once your prompt is ready, you can set the key settings on the toolbar above your prompt. You can turn secret identities on or off, set up a custom rubric for assessing students in the discussion, and configure your own guiding questions and sentence stems for peer feedback and commentary. You could also set a close date for the discussion. Now it's time to invite students. You can invite them by sharing the join code, sharing the magic link, or sharing the link to Google Classroom or Teams. When students click the link, they'll be able to sign on with their Google or their Microsoft accounts. Once they log in, each student will submit a unique response to the discussion prompt before joining the roundtable. This helps make sure everyone contributes their authentic perspective before seeing the ideas of others. After joining the discussion, students read and comment on each other's posts by answering the guiding questions that the teacher sets up for the discussion. Teachers can join the discussion too. Teachers can star model submissions to highlight exemplary work in the discussion. After the discussion is over, teachers can click the Assessment tab. Here, you can assess students based on your rubric, give them personalized feedback, and see a summary of their engagement for the discussion, including all of the comments they've made. Click on the Summary tab to see class-wide analytics, like participation rates, a clickable word cloud, model submissions, and the comment cord diagram. Teachers can also see a summary table for engagement by student. That's a wrap. Click on any of the articles linked below this video to learn more about the Online RoundTable. You can access this video by looking for the little question mark in the top right corner of the Online RoundTable discussion. Last but not least, click this chat bubble at any time and one of our instructional strategists will be happy to answer your questions. Stay curious!